Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to adjust offense auto sub. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to auto subs. Here in offense you can adjust quarterback sub out and sub in, running back sub out and sub in, wide receiver sub out and sub in, fullbacks and tight ends sub out and sub in, offensive linemen sub out and sub in. This function changes the frequency of players being substituted in during a game. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.